Nuendo is designed to be the premier audio production system for today's Windows XP and Mac OS X host-based computer workstations. Its primary focus is to meet the demands of every possible type of production environment, from world-class music production, editing, mixing, and live recording, to feature-rich and intuitive workflows for post-production, film, television, and more. Its combination of creative musical and powerful post-quality editing features also make it great for more creative projects, such as sound design for film and video games, and more unique environments such as audio and music for commercials, radio broadcasts, and more. By using this Nuendo CSI Master as your guide, you'll gain the knowledge and skills necessary to make Nuendo the central component of all your projects. Before we begin our training course, let's take a brief look at the main concepts in Nuendo. This will help prepare you for all the great information that's to come. The idea behind Nuendo is to keep it simple, yet extremely powerful. Without simplicity and ease of use, no amount of power is going to help you. You'll find that Nuendo is one of the few production systems designed from the ground up with one goal in mind: to provide you with a comfortable yet powerful working environment that can be customized to the way you like to work. You'll find its user interface pleasing to the eye, especially during those long late-night sessions, all the while offering a layout that makes it easy to find just about everything you need to complete your projects from beginning to end. Everything you need is provided within 3 areas: the project editor, the mixer, and the transport bar. The project editor is where you will perform the majority of your compositional, arrangement, and editing work. From here, you also have access to sub-editors that provide you a similar editing window but contain information that's specific to the object you want to edit. Next is the VST channel mixer. This is where you have complete control over the core of Nuendo's audio capabilities. I find it to be one of the most powerful and flexible mixers in any computer-based audio program today. It gives you a clear and concise view of what's going on in your mix. No clutter, no mess. With powerful metering, customizable views, complete automation for every button and fader, full surround channel capability, and flexible channel and bus routing, there is little you can't do with Nuendo's mixer. Last is the transport bar. This is the heart of Nuendo's playback commands. A feature-rich control bar gives you instant access to all the common tasks and features you need for transport control. Support for multiple time format displays, full marker creation and recall, jog shuttle and frame advance flywheels, punch-in and punch-out recording options, and more. If you find you need something a little simpler, you can choose what you want to see and what you don't. This is just one example of Nuendo's powerful customization options. If you're thinking it can't be that easy, well, believe me, it is. My goal is to show you just how easy it is to grasp the immense power that Nuendo offers, ultimately making it easy for you to channel that power directly into your creative workplace. But first, we'll begin by helping you make sure Nuendo is set up and configured properly for your computer workstation.